So this one was sent to me by NotPolish right here. This is a very awesome brand, good CEO, good people, you know, just good people. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here real quick.
Okay.
We're gonna open this up together.
Do you need to move this?
No, we can. We're gonna keep it here. We need some lighting.
Ooh, popcorn.
No, they ain't popcorn. These are just a big old mess.
That's what they're called, popcorn.
They call popcorn?
I guess that could be cotton candy.
Oh my god, I got a date under here. Oh my god.
You can have the kids glue them to something. Oh my gosh, what a mess you're making.
Oh my god, it's all the way under here with all these popcorn.
Oh no.
Oh, look at this. Hold this for me, my love. Hold this for me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Whew.
Is that, you sure that's it?
All right, so let me check. Oh, there's more.
See?
Oh my god. And cat eye, your favorite.
Look at that.
You like cat eye. Dang.
Woo-hoo.
Okay, what else? Man, look at this.
See,
Dapper
you were ready to just stop. at
I
the
was
first
gonna
one.
stop, okay? You're right. You're right. Hold on. Let me. Man, this is ridiculous. Alright. Woo! Jesus. Alright, so this is the Advent calendar. We're gonna open this up too, okay? But what we're gonna check out is this right here. This is, you like cat eye?
Yes, I do.
This is crazy. Oh, okay. Look at this.
Look at that.
Mmm.
Oh.
8 colors. We always need colors for cat eyes.
Yeah.
All right. You want to take off and do it again?
No. I
No?
love
Okay.
this
Okay.
one.
Okay. Next time.
Next time.
All right. Ooh, this is nice. Let's put it back. Ooh, what a nice labeling too, huh?
Yeah.
What a good labeling.
See, this is a nice color.
I know they have it.
Look at
Mhm.
See? And that's
Oh, dang. And then this is the dabbing dish. So this one's right here. You put monomer. Look at this glass. Mmm.
Christmas is early.
Sorry. This. Oh,
Whoa.
hella bougie. Look at this.
Look at that.
Man, get out of here. Mmm. Oh, okay. So this is for the monomer.
And what's that?
So you put the monomer. You put the purple stuff in here.
Oh.
I like that. I like that. And you know me, I'm gonna put everything back. All right, let's open up the Advent calendar. How about that? Mm-hmm.
Which is the only thing you thought he was getting.
I know.
Look at the surprise.
Hey, this right here, NotPolish, they always go above and beyond for me.
Yeah.
They always throw a wow factor in there. But let's really talk about this one. Let's do this one. I'm excited for this one. This is cool. Yeah, you know what?
You don't want to drop it.
Yeah, I don't want to drop it, so I will leave it in this box again.
Okay.
We will take care of this, but this is why we are here, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is why we are here. I mean, how does Advent calendar, like each day I'm supposed to open each
Yes.
section? But you know what? Why don't we just pretend like right each minute that we go and buy is each day? So let's just open this up. How exciting is this? Look at this. How do we open
My
this?
goodness.
Oh my God. Oh, look at this.
All we want for Christmas is for you to create the baddest nails. They sent you a little message.
Look at that. Why don't you be honored to open up day 1? Here. Right there. Open it up. You have the honor to open it up. Here, let me help you. Boy, you know what? Hold up. This is what this
Or
is.
the little scissor.
Well, they really make this thing really good. All right. Okay.
Wow.
Blue for nail. Blue for nail. Right here.
Oh.
Okay. Number 2, go.
Number
You,
two,
number
okay,
2.
give me number 2.
Go, number 2.
Here.
Go.
Phải lấy cái này hả?
Đâm vô.
I don't want broke something in there.
It's okay. Okay.
Okay. Polish.
Top coat.
Top coat.
Top coat. You, come here. Come on. The open one. Come here, number 3. Number 3, where is it at? Right here, number 3.
Put you to work. Ooh.
Number 3, big one. You get the big one. Here.
All right, let's see what it says.
Go. Don't break your nail now. Here. Here, go. Tips. Nail tips.
Wow.
Woo, nail tips. Hi.
Look at that.
All right. My turn, right?
Look at all of those. Oh
Okay,
my
where's number
goodness.
3? Are we missing something?
This is 500 nails.
Oh, this is 3. We got 4.
Yes.
We got 4. Sorry, NotPolish, for making your package. Ooh, some chrome. I like chrome. Chromes are pretty. We gotta do some chrome on you. I like that. All right, number 5. Okay. Go, Grace. Files.
Ooh.
Yes.
Nice. Look
Okay.
at you.
What's next?
6.
6.
Woohoo.
Hal, come here, bro. Open number 6. Number 6 here.
Okay, be sure to have a lottery.
Hopefully lottery in here. Hopefully.
If not, I don't.
Powerball.
Powerball.
Right here.
Powerball, okay.
Right here.
Check spot.
Right, go right there.
Okay.
Number 6.
Well, what finger I should use?
Not the middle finger. Go.
Okay, the
Ooh, he got the good one.
See?
What
A
is
bling
that?
bling.
Bling bling.
Oh,
Okay, number 7.
7.
Number 7. Lee, where you at, Lee? Lee, come here. Open number 7. That's how we do it, right? Lee,
Yeah.
come here.
Come on.
Surprise. We open surprise. Come here. Come here. Ông Tấn đâu rồi? Right here.
Number 7.
Number 7. Open. Step over. Another one. Woo, lucky.
You.
Okay, what number is that? 8. Now 8. Who's next? Ông Tấn cho ông nghỉ. Go. One more. Me. You. Again. Go. What is this? Woo.
Right, number 8.
Metallic paint.
Metal embossed.
That one's nice.
gel.
This one's nice for like design. Okay, what number was that? 8, 9. Ooh, I like to see 9. 9 is long. 9 is long.
Also, what do you guess that it is?
A brush?
Oh, okay,
brush?
maybe.
I open, okay? I open 9.
Okay.
Woo! It's a brush.
Ooh,
That is nice. That is a very nice nail design brush.
Look at that.
Wow.
Pretty color, too.
Okay, what number was that?
9.
9.
10.
10. Go, Grace. This one's you.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, another one. Powder.
Look at
Yes.
that. Ooh.
Look at all this. So cool. All right, we got 2 more. So I'll take one,
All
you
right.
take one.
Okay. Your kids will go, how come we didn't get to open it?
How come we didn't get to open it?
All right.
Gel color.
Ooh.
So this is top coat. That's a polish. Nice. The gold. Yes.
Oh,
All right. Last one.
okay. You do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
A liner.
Oh.
Look at this. Look at this. This is so cool.
Oh my goodness, how beautiful.
How cool is that?
Look at that.
You like it?
You're set for a while there.
Yes, I am.
Oh my
And
gosh.
The cat eye collection.
Yeah.
And we got the dapping dish.
Yep.
Thank you, NotPolish. This was awesome. You enjoyed it?
Yep.